So today I'm going to show you how to make Turon fingers. Actually, to be honest, there's a lot of ways how to cook this, a lot of techniques, but I wanted to make it simple and but unique. Okay, but this Turon is to be specific, it's a Filipino native banana. It's called saba, but you can actually make it from like a normal bananas. So today I'm gonna cut it in half. Okay, but for fingers, but this is a bit thick, I'm gonna cut it again to have like a really nice finger shapes. Okay, so basically this kind of bananas is eaten especially when it's cooked, because otherwise it's just gonna be bitter and hard. So next we cut our jackfruit. Just cut it like thin and like same length of your bananas, but it actually depends on the size of the jackfruit. So just lengthwise, straight cuts, that's it. Okay, jackfruit is have a distinct flavor that it's really sweet, and the texture is soft and a little bit chewy. Next, we'll have to wrap our bananas into our spring roll pastry sheet. Now, rub your brown sugar, slightly coat your bananas. Okay? Just lightly coat it, not so much. And then at least 2 jackfruit. Then wrap it very nicely. Then grab your water and brush just to keep them stick together. Okay, there you have it. Okay, nice small like finger size turon. Again, slightly coat your bananas, add some jackfruit, generously added. Okay, actually you can put any stuffing aside from jackfruit. You can put ube or anything you want. Just explore. You can add some Nutella, chocolate, but for me I wanted to make it really simple and just the basic. Okay, so I've asked my sister to continue my banana wrapping. So this is a different kind of turon. Okay, so instead of coating it with brown sugar, we're gonna use maple syrup. Okay, let's just have a little bit of twist doing this turon. So coat it. Okay, I think this will give a distinguished flavor, and this will give a nice and crispy layer of turon outside. Again, so this will give different kind of turon filling flavor. So instead of plain brown sugar, we use maple syrup. Now we're going to fry our turon. So this oil must be hot, but not so hot. We put it in a medium fire, so don't be afraid with the oil. So for you to check if the oil is hot, just if you hear that sizzles, your oil is hot. So keep your turon away from you. Okay, away from you. Remember, away from you. So don't overcrowd your pan so that the heat is equally distributed to your turon. Okay. Oh, look at that, my assistant. What are you cooking? Okay, some of my turon is ready. Oh, look at that. Golden brown. Perfectly coated with maple syrup. Look at that. Amazing. Beautiful. See? Carefully transfer it. Okay. Look at that. So beautiful, so crispy. So to elevate in serving this turon, just put in a plate. Look at that. It's really sticky and hot. Perfect. Okay. It's really hot. It's really beautiful. Look at that beautiful, crispy turon. So I call this my baby turon. Look at that. So good. So good.